What are some of the exchange traded funds that you would recommend?
There's something called the GDX, which tracks a basket of the larger gold companies, and the GDXJ, which tracks a slightly smaller set of gold companies, which tends to have more of a beta to the gold price. There's the good old-fashioned SPDRs gold bullion investment trust, which is probably as good a proxy to pure gold as you're going to get. And those would, for gold, those would probably be my favorites.
Is there a problem with these ETFs though? Because they only hold so much gold, don't they? And yet investors are investing in these exchange traded funds, and the exchange traded funds only are holding they're leveraged, aren't they? Depends
on the fund. The SPDRs Gold Trust theoretically is all backed by bullion. Now there's been stuff in the news about not being able to audit.
Yeah.
They have billions in and billions out, sometimes on a daily, if not weekly or monthly basis, which means buying and selling gold constantly, and a certain amount of that gold is constantly in transit. But on the whole, the audits have suggested that they do actually hold the gold that they are supposed to hold at any given point in time.
It's these conspiracy theorists again saying that they only hold so much gold. But talking of that, there are obviously leveraged ETFs as well that people can invest into.
Those leveraged ETFs are tools that I truly believe should only be held for very short periods of time, like less than a week, potentially a day.
Wow.
If you want to trade momentum in the gold price, like if you think gold's going up, over the course of a day, 1, 2, 3%, and you want a 3 times leveraged return, you can get that. But remember, gold doesn't move in a straight line over the course of a day, over the course of a week, and every leg down will be 3 times down. And often over time, the returns are negative for these funds because they go up and down because of the nature of the price of gold or silver or whatever their underlying commodity going up or down. And remember, to buy leveraged product, you're not buying actual physical at all. You're buying options and a whole lot of contracts. They're risky. They're very risky. They're tools.
It's a structured product, isn't it?
It's a structured product. It's a tool to play sentiment and momentum, and it's a short-term tool. And use them very, very carefully is my personal advice.
I think it's sound advice.